Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we dig into software, tools, and tech you can actually use. In today's video, we are diving into one of the fastest growing AI platforms out there, which is Abacus. But what exactly is this platform? And more importantly, is it worth using for your business or projects? We will take a closer look at its features, how it works, who it's for, and whether it actually delivers on its promises. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea if Abacus AI deserves your time and possibly your investment. Let's begin. Abacus AI describes itself as the world's first AI super assistant for enterprises and professionals. It's an AI platform that enables building, deploying, and managing machine learning in large language model or LLM systems. Now on the top right corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. This is also a perfect opportunity for you to sign up for a free trial, so you can get first-hand experience with the software. You can see how easy it is to use, understand the learning curve, and determine if it's the right fit for your business needs. All you have to do is provide all the information needed. Matter of fact, creating an account here in Abacus AI is a breeze. You can use your Google account, sign in with Apple, or you can sign in with your Microsoft account, and then follow the on-screen instructions. But as you may notice, the site asks for credit card details upfront. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, it's totally fine. We can still explore and learn more about the platform by heading back to the main homepage. The goal here is to understand it better before committing to anything. Abacus AI offers two main core features. Number one is going to be the Chat LLM and the DeepAgent. Now, Chat LLM, or the Large Language Model Chat, is the Abacus AI's feature for building custom AI chatbots powered by large language models similar to ChatGPT but tailored for your own data. Now with this, it lets you upload documents, databases, or website data to create a domain-specific chatbot. It integrates with business tools or websites to automate customer support, internal knowledge access, or product guidance. With this, you have more controlled responses and tone, ensuring the chatbot stays aligned with your brand or company policy. Now, Chat LLM allows you to deploy your own intelligent chat assistant that understands and communicates based on your data and needs. And then we go to the next core feature, which is going to be the DeepAgent. This is Abacus AI's autonomous AI agent system. It goes beyond chat because with DeepAgent, instead of just answering questions, all right, it can take you actions and make decisions because you have the apps where you can plan and execute workflows right here. You can use multiple AI skills right here. You can integrate with APIs and app testing, letting it perform automated business processes. It can continuously learn and improve from user feedback and historical performance. DeepAgent acts like an AI employee that can autonomously perform complex operations, while Chat LLM acts more like a conversational assistant. Now, you may notice that Abacus AI doesn't offer the pricing plans publicly, but instead, it gives you two kinds of service. Number one is going to be for individuals and small teams, the Chat LLM teams. Now, this focuses on developers, data scientists, researchers, and small organizations who want to explore or build AI models without managing complex infrastructure. It's designed to be accessible and flexible, offering tools that simplify AI experimentation and deployment. With this, you have free or low-cost plans to start small projects or prototypes, no-code or low-code tools for model training, data visualization, and deployment, which is kind of really handful if you are working for a collaborative features for small teams, which is ideal for proof of concept projects or learning advanced AI techniques. The hands-on feel for the playground for smaller users who want to create, test, and deploy AI quickly and efficiently. And then the next one is going to be the for enterprises. It targets large organizations that need AI at scale, often involving complex data, strict compliance, and multiple departments, providing enterprise-grade performance, customization, and governance. Thing is, you need to provide some information here for a free expert consultation so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business size, business needs, your goal, and of course your budget. And click the finish button. One of the sales rep will contact you if you wanted to have a free demo and free consultation, absolutely at no cost. Now, if you wanted to get more insights about Abacus.ai in general, you can go to the research areas. Because here you could find the fields of artificial intelligence that Abacus.ai's research team focuses on, covering the advanced areas they're innovating to improve their platform and AI models. It gives insight into how Abacus.ai advances core AI technologies beyond just applying pre-built models. So you can have like generative AI, deep learning optimization, and a lot more. And then of course, my favorite is going to be the publication, which gives you all these academic papers, articles, and research studies produced by Abacus.ai team or in collaboration with universities and research institutions, demonstrating their scientific contribution to the AI community and supports the credibility of their technology. And then there is going to be the open source AI. It features tools and frameworks and libraries that Abacus.ai has made publicly available to developers and researchers. With this, you might find like a GitHub repositories, sample code, or open datasets in this section right here. It's free absolutely at no cost. You can also go to the company section wherein you have the About Us, Culture, Press, Case Studies, Security, Jobs, and Blog to get more insights about Abacus.ai. And with that being said, Abacus.ai is an impressive platform built for businesses that want to integrate machine learning without heavy coding. If you are running a data-driven company or exploring ways to make smarter business decisions, Abacus.ai might just be worth checking out. But for smaller teams or casual users, it might feel a bit overpowered. So, what do you think? Is it worth the investment or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, especially if you have any experiences using Abacus.ai, because we'd love to hear from you. And as always, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.